What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video on high altitude investing. In today's video, I'm going to be talking a little bit about Digibyte and how it's breaking out of major resistance currently. Before I get started though, if you're not a subscriber to my channel, I'd really appreciate it if you hit the like button as well as the subscribe button so that you can stay updated and posted regularly in the cryptocurrency markets. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. This is Digibyte on the 3-day chart, and as you guys know, on my channel, I've been hyping up Digibyte for quite some time now. One of the reasons that I like this project so much isn't necessarily because of the fundamental reasons. It's not that the transactions are extremely quick, that it's very, very straightforward to use. I really actually like this from a chart pattern perspective. There are a lot of good things that are associated with the Digibyte project, but overall, you guys, the chart pattern is what really stands out to me. And with this chart pattern that I'm currently seeing, there's actually a breakout of horizontal resistance on the smaller time frames. So I'm going to go down into the 4-hour time frame and show you what I mean by that. In the 4-hour time frame, as you can see, there's actually quite a bit of resistance in the market. We have horizontal resistance right here. We have this horizontal resistance right here, which was tested 3 consecutive times. And then we had some resistance right here in the market as well, which was tested multiple times. And then we really pushed up through all of those resistance levels, and now we have broken above them. So this right here is our point of breakout. That was about 2.6 cents per Digibyte. And that was really confirming our breakout of major resistance on the smaller time frames. Now, if we actually look here, you can see that there's ascending support levels. So the supports were all ascending in nature. We came down, we tested support, we tested support, we tested support, which actually makes this a very, very large ascending triangle pattern. This ascending triangle pattern is a powerful trading pattern, one of the very first trading patterns that I learned, and one of the trading patterns that I actually used to make most of my money in 2017. So when everything was going really crazy, I used this trading pattern a lot because of how effective it was, how high the probability rate of success is, how often I was seeing the pattern itself. And so to have that bull market coming back here in 2020, it's very cool that all of the same patterns are starting to paint and the same picture is starting to be painted. We're just in a different year. I mean, the money, the opportunity is just as big, if not bigger in some ways. And it's really, really an opportunity that you don't want to be missing out on. So with Digibyte currently, this resistance being broken above is a strong signal, a very strong sign that we have a lot more upside coming in this market. If we go into the bigger time frames and we zoom all the way out into the 3-day candlesticks, you can see that that ascending triangle pattern becomes pretty small in comparison to the bigger previous cycles that we had in the past. These 2 cycles right here, I made a lot of money on those cycles. A lot of my VIP members also made nice money off of these trades because I posted multiple setups before these huge pumps actually occurred. And kind of the reason that I'm talking about the perspective between the size of the ascending triangle right here versus how big these previous cycles are is just to give you guys an idea of why it's so useful to not only be zoomed out in the bigger picture, but to focus on the bigger picture, because even though that breakout took months for us to actually break that resistance level and push up to the next price point, now that it's broken above, we can have a move just like this or just like this really occur. And it goes to show that this is just the start of the parabolic move that we have to expect, what's coming inside of Digibyte. And so this whole establishment of its trend, starting its first higher low, higher high, breaking resistance, is all minuscule in comparison to the big move. This is where you make the real money. The real money isn't necessarily made nailing the exact bottom and getting out at the exact top. The real money is buying into fear all the way down And then as you just go completely insane and you break major previous resistance levels, like the previous all-time highs, those two levels, as those are broken above, you're just going to go into price discovery mode. And price discovery is going to take it up to the next price point, consolidate, take it up to the next price point, consolidate or correct, take it up to the next price point, consolidate. So really what we're watching for with Digibyte is a strong establishment of a massive major uptrend that we're just starting to see the beginnings of through the breakouts of these ascending triangle patterns. So lots of money to be made inside of the Digibyte markets. I mean, Link is just an example of what happens when you go parabolic, when you push up through major resistance levels and completely obliterate what everybody was expecting it to have happen. Because I don't know if you guys are on crypto Twitter or what, but in this area right here, everybody was bearish on Link, especially right here when Donovan and I both doubled down on being bullish on the crypto markets. Everybody was bearish at that point in time. And then look what happened afterwards. That's the parabolic movement that I'm talking about. Those are the swings that I profit off of on a regular basis, that I share signals, that I talk about on this channel publicly, in the VIP too as well. This is all the same setups. And it just goes to show how much money there is to be made in the markets. I mean, look at this. Link went from being worth $1 all the way up to $16 in that leg. That's completely ridiculous. Well, actually, it was worth about $1.76, but that's all just details. So, yeah, I fully expect Digibyte to make a parabolic move in the same way that Link already has. There's a lot of other altcoins that are setting up to move in the same way that Link already has, and there's a ton of money to be made across the board. So that breakout in Digibyte is not only expected, but it's showing us what's coming, and it's carrying the market into future price points. So I'll continue to update you guys on Digibyte as the market grows, as the market capitalization grows, as the community grows, as the price develops, and really keep you guys posted on what's coming inside of the market. For exact price targets, make sure that you guys click the links in the description and shoot me a Discord message or an email, and I will get you guys set up today inside of my exclusive VIP group where you guys can join inside of my community server, talk with thousands of other VIP members, look at the different setups that I'm currently buying, the different setups I'm currently selling, updates about top secret coins that I'm looking at, that I'm buying. All of that stuff inside of the group really helps you transform your portfolio. And the reason I created this group is because I like to see people make tons and tons of money. I love it. There's nothing that's funner than watching people in this world make money. And so that's why I made this group. That's why I encourage people to make their own YouTube channels, make your own trading channel, make your own investing channel, make your own group. You know, we can collaborate in the future or talk about different coins that are really hot buys right now. It's all beneficial if we collaborate and connect together. So make sure that you guys click that link in the description today if you're ready to pull the trigger and take your trading to the next level inside of the VIP group. Shoot me an email or a message and I'll get you guys set up today. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today's Digibyte update. Happy Friday, everybody. I love you guys. I love all of the support that I constantly receive, the comments, the subscribers, the likes, the shares. You guys help me. You have no idea. You know, there's times in life where it feels like everything is going completely perfectly and in perfect alignment. And then there's times with making a business and doing these things where it can feel like a complete disalignment. And every single time that you guys show me support, every single time that you send me an email, message me on Discord, or comment on my videos, you help me to stay level-headed, to remember that people appreciate me, care about me, are looking out for me. And you guys help give me the strength to make these videos and to help you guys make money in the markets, massive amounts of profits in the markets. So yeah, I really do genuinely from the bottom of my heart appreciate you guys. And you have no idea the feelings that I feel when things maybe are falling apart, the appreciation that I have because of you guys and that support that I receive. So thank you guys so much. And I look forward to seeing you in future updates. As always, stay profitable out there.